What's poppin' balls gang? Welcome back to CEO Prince Reaction. So look, y'all, we about to get into some royal family, you know what I'm saying? We first lead into this, alright? Now y'all know I gotta relearn my audience, my supporters, you get what I'm saying? Cause I forgot that y'all love the royal family. And the royal family dropped a video today. So we about to get right into it. But before we do, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like. And make sure you leave a comment on what videos you want me to react to. Alright, we back full effect. Y'all gonna see me every day now. Every day you're gonna see me up on this reacting channel. You trust me? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get you right here, you feel me? Make sure y'all shop the Prince Collection Company, you know what I'm saying? Link in the description. 50% off everything this week, alright? 50% off everything this week, alright? The last week. I mean, I'll drop this spring collection and everything go back up to regular price. That's on y'all. You feel me? But yeah, let's get right into this video, man.
Okay, she's making a difference. This is refreshing. It is.
It is.
I don't know. Bro, literally everything that he tries, he makes me laugh.
I can't put my finger on it. Like I just can't. Like there's like it's just something about it that I just don't enjoy it.
It's the royal family. It's the royal family. Royal family. What's up, y'all?
What's up, y'all?
We back with another for your mother. Another vlog. It's the morning still?
Yeah.
Oh shoot! It feels like it's afternoon. We started the day off with great vibes.
Yeah, because she didn't go to sleep last night.
Actually, yeah, he kept me up till 4 in the morning. I came home from my flight. I came downstairs.
She said she was going to sleep last night.
And he, you know, Clarence was busting his gun, which, you know, I love when he busts his gun. I love when he busts his gun. But, you know, he was telling me to stay down there or whatever. And, yeah, I was getting sleepy. And he kept winning games. So it's like, he was like, no, I gotta win the next one. So I was like, I'm going to sleep. I had got a little attitude. And he was like, no, you're not. And I was like, yes, I am. I had ordered my food. I was live. I went live and I told everybody I was going to sleep. And then, yeah, he kept me up. So, you know how those vibes go when you wake up after a good. Just kidding. So we're going to Publix right now, y'all. Truth be told, we had recorded footage of getting, well, I did. I recorded footage of getting, like, everything for the nature cereal soup. Nature cereal soup. The nature cereal. I seen Lizzo doing it. I seen people on TikTok doing it. So we're about to run in here and get everything for this soup.
Cereal.
Oh.
I'm about to say, I was so confused.
Like pomegranates and berries and ice and coconuts. So nature's here. We're going to try that today, y'all. Get some blueberries. Right, babe? Blueberries. Raspberries, pomegranates. We already got the coconut water. Is that it? Wait, I think I see something over here. No, I don't think we do strawberries.
Well, I would like some strawberries.
I love strawberries.
You ain't gonna
I
eat
made the best strawberry.
Me or Legend.
Yeah, oh yeah, you gotta eat them. Okay, we need raspberries.
We need raspberries.
We got blueberries.
What they making?
And what's some little red things that go in there too?
Pomegranate seeds.
Salad.
Pomegranate seeds,
So
yeah.
yeah, we got the coconut water already, y'all. And I don't think coconut water goes bad, so
That's really all we need.
that's all we need.
Is there anything else you want to get?
Coconut water.
We're here already?
I mean, maybe to cook.
I'ma need that dummy all the way.
I love
those.
Yeah, I love those too, especially that color.
The yellow one is good.
The yellow and the green one. But you can't have
I be having to leave that stuff at the
You
store,
got it?
man. Like,
You said you
bad
was
for my
watching your.
skin.
I am, but this is only I can have one. It's only 80
So
calories, and
good,
guess what I
but
can do?
But there's 8 in there. There's 12 in there.
You know about the fruit roll-up treat?
There's 12.
I know.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard of it.
We sit here ordering a sandwich. I got me a little wrap.
Hey,
But who else?
public subs are the best subs, hands down. I
In
don't
the
care
store.
about no Subway. Public subs,
Eat
best subs.
in the store. Let me know if this is ghetto.
Yes, please.
Let me know if I still don't care, but
Do you have smoked turkey? Okay. Yeah, I just.
sometimes you just can't wait to leave, you know? You gotta eat
She
it.
eating people food inside the store.
I'll take a little bit of that.
I finished the whole container. Yeah, you taking that basket back? I don't even know. I'm about to get a piece of that when I get home. Yeah.
So what?
I'm about to get a piece of that ninja.
Bro, that's something I would wear, bro. No cap.
Look at him.
I had the same shoes and all.
We came home and had a sandwich break. Right?
Hell yeah.
A sandwich break. He ate his. This is good.
I like half my sandwich.
We're watching Jenny and Georgia. Who else watches this show? Are you trying to insinuate something?
Well, you already know my energy. When we first walked in the house with
We had a sandwich break. Right?
Yeah, you took a little beef break though.
Okay, so we're gonna wait till Lee come over and try the cereal because I want her to try it too. So I'm gonna watch this show a little bit and then we'll try the nature cereal. Have Lee try the nature cereals with us, but can you promise that you'll do when we get
Why
back?
are you laughing?
Because Lee's stressed right now because she's late.
Wait, could you just answer one question?
What?
Lee, when we come back to the house, will you try the nature cereal with us?
Yes. Why is Clarence
It's
laughing?
very-
You get me tight, bro.
Because Lee, you always pull up places
I
late
gotta
and
go
be
to
like, yo, we gotta go. We late.
Because if I tell you to
I
be
gotta go
ready
to
by
both
a certain time, just be ready.
Lee,
Why
I'm
I
ready.
gotta come early?
Lee, I'm ready.
I'm talking to my brother because he get me tight. Stop laughing.
Well, I
Because I tell you the same thing. Be ready by this time, and then you start when I get here.
Well, sexy daddy, I'll be back.
Oh, sexy daddy, let's go. No.
Lee,
no,
stop it.
No.
I need my shoes. I need my shoes.
No.
I gotta get them. Dang.
Well, come on to the car.
Lee,
Wait
no,
like
I
this.
don't know. All right, I'll be back, Gilf. Big Gilf.
Let's go.
All right.
I'm a big deal. Don't do that.
I'll be back at the house.
It's here right there.
And we about to do this nature cereal thing.
Don't get started.
I might try that too, y'all.
I don't want to do no videos of me.
We have coconut water, right, babe? Coconut water, pomegranate seeds. We need to put ice in our cups. Blackberries,
Karen's doing something, you know.
That he's not used to doing.
Yeah.
blueberries.
I don't do
And
YouTube.
raspberry.
He ain't even a YouTuber. He's a rapper.
Wait, let me double check for the nature cereal.
This is the thing that Lizzo did, right?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to do
I'm doing a
videos.
video right now.
Nature cereal. Yeah, you could be over here, Pat, but you want to bust your gun.
That's not true. You guys are fine.
Oh, he mad. Oh, I'm part of our relationship.
Wait, what's this? Why you got 3 cups?
One for me, one for Lee, one for you.
It's
We gonna have our cereal
so I got
cups.
bowls.
No, I know, but she said she's gonna do it in a cup.
Yeah, we're gonna do it in a cup so they can see it.
This one's good.
You can have that cup.
It's cereal.
What?
You ever play Cup Cut?
Yeah.
Like this.
No, see, that's how you could tell.
Tell Queen.
That's how you could tell you didn't go to college, Queen.
I'm just always drinking. Oh.
Nah, but your friends would have
Hey,
played.
you don't use bowls.
It's the same. You had cereal in a cup.
Right, don't act bougie now. Alright, I'm gonna put my blueberries in it. And I'm gonna only do like, a little bit. Ooh.
I'm gonna try that.
You said, ooh.
Ooh. Here goes my blueberries.
I don't know if I like these.
Y'all don't
These are
wash your
hairy.
berries out?
These are hairy.
Hairy berries?
So why they hairy?
I know I'm being canceled. The berries are supposed
Raspberries
to be
are
hairy,
hairy.
Lee.
Y'all ain't washed them berries off though.
They have to shave, bro.
They can't shave the berries. What
I
else?
don't think I ever ate these fruits before, so
Pomegranate seeds.
this looks scary.
They look like the ones that come
a
off the tree.
beehive. They look like
Yeah,
a
them are
beehive.
good though.
I love you, Lee.
I love you too. Is that it? Because I gotta go.
Look how it looks so far. I'm gonna do the coconut water and shake it up. And I'm gonna pour it.
Pass me those blackberries.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go get some tomorrow morning.
And this is how it looks, y'all. This is nature cereal. I guess I'll let mine sit a little bit. And then
Nature
wait till y'all
cereal.
try it. I'm not gonna lie, this looks good though. Say,
Don't look down on me because I ain't washed my berries.
I ain't watching either.
Wow, I stepped on a berry.
He's OCD
See,
with his
Clarence,
berries.
see, Clarence on
It's
what
a
I'm
berry.
doing.
I just put enough to make it like a cup of cereal.
Think
Oh, I
that's
don't know
good?
how it sounds.
That's good?
Yeah, what if I seen bugs in here because I ain't washed my berries?
Because they started floating.
Let me see. Let me make sure.
Hey, Clarence.
All right,
Hey,
now
Clarence just gonna still make it his.
That's good?
you got the pomegranate seeds? Those in there?
You don't gotta wash that out, fine.
Babe, you're not supposed to try it first.
Why he can't try first?
Dang. Oh wait, let me stop for y'all. See, I'm being aggressive.
Okay, I'm almost getting the boys.
Babe, you hit me in the eye with the juice.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Yo. Now what's this?
It's the hair.
You sure it's the hair?
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
It looks like
Yeah,
the hair.
that's the raspberry hair.
Is the hair or it's the bug?
No.
It's the hair, man.
Alright. Let's do it.
You don't got no juice on there. I don't think you're supposed to eat the ice, so
Mm-hmm.
the ices are still supposed to make it cold.
Lee ate it with the ice and everything. I'm gonna do that.
It's kind of refreshing. Not bad.
I'm gonna look this up. Like
Kind of refreshing, right?
nature cereal.
Coconut water tastes like foot water.
What?
It's not bad.
Tastes like somebody put their foot inside of water.
No, it don't.
It's like bathwater or something like.
No, it don't.
Nah.
It's kind of refreshing. I don't know what
So you do this like you.
I would do this.
Damn, coconut water tastes like dishwater.
Maybe you didn't have you have pomegranate seeds.
Wait, where the
It's kinda
pomegranate
sweet.
seeds? Wait, hold on. I
It's
need
just
to
the bottom.
It's
You gotta
all
get
at the bottom.
You gotta get a full
I'ma
scoop of
try this.
everything, not just the hairy fruits.
I'm gonna take them meat. Be like, let's try nature cereal.
It's so good.
Them pomegranate seeds make it different.
Mm-hmm. This is refreshing. It is. Clarence looks in the day.
I don't know.
Bruh, literally everything that he tried, he made me laugh.
I can't put my finger on it. Like I just can't. Like there's like it's just something about it that I just don't enjoy it.
Let's go.
Maybe if I put like water with ice and.
Mm-mm.
You talk about some. What is that?
You gotta do coconut water.
Let's go.
It's not bad. Put
It's not bad, but it's
Feel
just like
healthy
not
eating.
good.
No.
It's not good. It's not bad, but it's not good.
Why are you eating it? It's not bad.
Mm.
It's like that first taste. As soon as you.
I'm giving it to you this cereal in the morning. No more cereals.
I'm gonna start doing it.
You know, Legend will love it. He loves his fruits.
But he ain't gonna eat with water.
That boy eats fruits and starches.
Did you see me try to give him cereal with milk
Mm-mm.
at the old house? He acted like it was poo. He spit it out
Yeah,
That boy a healthy baby.
Nah, this is good.
yeah. Look, now watch Lee about to go.
I'm about to do a video.
Lee about to go home and have a whole bunch of berries in her fridge.
That's what I'm saying. Go.
I'm about to make one for real though. I'm about to do it. I'm about to do that, man. Y'all go subscribe to my. Well, I would do the family channel gonna be up soon, bro. It's
You
definitely.
dogging.
Slurp that thing.
Y'all be
Don't do
seeing
that.
me. I be
What?
working.
Don't do that.
Slurp that thing.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Well,
See where
you
you're
know,
gonna get it from.
just wow. I'm out. Why don't you start playing what you told Mama Jen?
What?
You might want to tell him off camera.
You already know.
She said, Mama Jen said, what's wrong with you? Why you not like on 1,000? She said, I'm tired. She said, why? She said, I did something before I came. She was like, it's okay, you got that. It's okay. Mama Jen said,
I just get so tired afterwards. You take everything out of me.
Who take everything out of you?
It wouldn't be this good. I should be fine.
It was good, y'all. Like, what we doing for the rest of this vlog? Cause I'm a little out of. Me and Clarence are gonna do a trip. We're gonna plan the trip, and I need to know what y'all think. Should we go to Turks and Caicos or Punta Cana? Is it Punta Cana or Punta Cana?
Punta Cana.
Punta Cana. Where should we go, y'all? Let us know in the comments below because it's about that time for another trip with some blue water and sand. So, y'all, it's the next morning. It's the next morning, and I look crazy. So, yeah. Yesterday we had the nature cereal, and Legend is eating the rest of all the blueberries. Lee was just talking about the cereal, how it made a change in her life.
No, I didn't. I said it was refreshing.
Oh, shoot. Mama Sandra called me. Oh, wait. She stopped. She said it made a change in her life, y'all. So that was so good. She never would have came over.
Why?
She wouldn't have had that change. So,
Oh my God.
tell me what you guys think. Do y'all think that
I can't wait to Prince eat regular food, bro.
it's a flop or a bop?
I really do.
But yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Legend, you want to say bye bye? Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Cause if you like this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and make sure you leave a comment on what videos you want me to react to, y'all. We are outie.